how to add a countdown video intro using the inShot video editor app. So if you're looking for something like this here, or perhaps that other one that will start off with maybe 8, 7, or 5, here's where you can go to get this here. And let's get started. As always, make sure you have the latest update for the inShot editor app, whether it's on iPhone, iOS, or Android phones. And now, when you're ready to add this countdown intro, you want to make sure you're starting at the very beginning of your video that you're editing. So make sure you are in this area here. And then now to add the intro, you're going to press on this plus right there. And you're going to select video, this option here. When you do this, you'll be taken to this view here where you can choose from your albums, but I want you to go to where it says material, this right here in the material section. And what I like about the inShot editor app, they have dedicated categories for every type of pre-made videos. So these are the materials here, and you want to go to where it says intro, this one here. Make sure you're here to get those countdowns. Now there are many different kinds out there. You even have this one here, you got this one here, and you got this one here that's going to count down for you. So if you like the one you saw earlier, which is this one here with the 5, it would be this one. And then you also have this one here that starts with 8. You got the ones for the vertical formats. If you're doing a YouTube video short or a TikTok video that's in vertical format, you can find those. And depending on which update version you have, you can get others available. So once you've made your selection here, you'll go ahead and press this check mark here to add it into your video. So now you'll have this here. You'll get the countdown like this here playing for you, and then it will transition to the video that you're editing. Now, if you want it to be a little bit more with some transitions here, you see this little part right here? This will allow you to select a transition effect. So instead of it just cuts right through the next video, you'll tap here and you can choose from one of these here where it kind of fades in instead of just like doing whatever. Okay, and you have these other ones here. Some of them may require the paid version to it. And then you can extend how this goes out into, and then so you'll have something that looks like this here now. So when it plays here like that, it's gonna transition into the video like that, all right? And of course, also, maybe you wanted the intro not to be from 5. Maybe you wanted it to start from 3. So what you can do is take this here and then pull the timeline area until you have 3. And then from 3, all right, you'll tap here. You'll see the white bar is right there, and you'll look for that split tool. And now I'll delete the beginning part by tapping here. And you can also start with 3 instead of 5. And then you'll have 3, 2, 1, and then it transitions in. So if this is what you were looking for, that's how you would do it for the inShot editor app. Like and sub if you learned something new, and thanks for watching.